Did you know that Marriott Bonvoy Elite members get free elite status on Air Canada and you get freebies like free checked baggage and possible business class upgrades? Wait, I don't even fly Air Canada. Why would I want to match? First, it's free to sign up. Number two, it's going to take you less than 60 seconds. And number three, Air Canada's Aeroplan Rewards program is one of the best with great partners, low cost, and lots of availability for reward flights. In this video, I'm going to go over the benefits of status matching between Marriott and Air Canada's loyalty programs. I'm going to go over step by step on how I helped my sister status match her Marriott Titanium status to Air Canada's Elite 25K. And finally, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to maximize your status match and get possible business class upgrades on Air Canada going forward. If you have Aeroplan Elite status, 50K or 75K, you can match over it and get Marriott Gold status. Unfortunately, it doesn't get you much in North America. Marriott Gold status gives you 25% more bonus points, late checkout up to 2 p.m., possible enhanced room upgrades if available, and free high-speed Wi-Fi. Many credit cards already give Marriott Gold status, so you might already have it. Check out these cards that give Marriott Gold. Here's the high-level benefits you get for matching between Air Canada and Marriott Bonvoy. Marriott Elites with Titanium or above can match to Aeroplan 25K Elite status. Aeroplan 25K Elite members get priority services such as priority boarding. You get free checked baggage for up to 2. You get 50% off on preferred seating for you and a companion on your reservation. You get 20 e-upgrade points per year. You get Star Alliance Silver status, which gives you priority boarding on partner airlines. My sister actually got to Marriott Titanium status while staying here in California visiting us. So I was able to quickly help her match to Air Canada 25K. And here are the steps below on how to do it. Number one, go to the Marriott Bonvoy status match webpage listed in the description below. Number two, scroll down to the middle of the page and click sign in, and you'll want to enter your Marriott Bonvoy account information and sign in. Number three, after you've signed in, scroll to the middle of the page below and you'll see input boxes where you can enter your information for your Aeroplan account. Number four, make sure to read the terms and conditions, click the I accept box and click link accounts. Step 6, to quickly verify your new status, go to Air Canada and log in at the top right corner, enter your Aeroplan information and double check your profile, and now you'll see your new status. And one final step, if this video has been helpful for you, can you help click the like and subscribe button below? This will help the video and the YouTube algorithm. One of the most common issues that you'll face while linking your two accounts is most likely going to be related to your middle name. For example, if your middle name is fully written out in one account and in the other account profile there is no middle name, you will get an error. To resolve this problem, you will need to call either of the loyalty program's customer service line and ask them to please match the middle name for both accounts. In addition to the 25K Elite member benefits, you also get milestone award choices that you can make. Watch out for your email, as they will be sending you an email roughly around 3-day mark where you can choose your new milestone awards. You can select 2 of the following 3. 2 Maple Leaf Lounge guest passes, 5 additional e-upgrade points, or bonus Aeroplan points. This is what I recommended to my sister. Take the 5 e-upgrade points and the 2 additional Maple Leaf lounges. And here's why. Number 1, for the Maple Leaf lounges, this is perfect for my sister traveling with my parents. She'll be able to bring them in to the Maple Leaf lounges next year while they're traveling together internationally. The primary account holder of the must be present, so you cannot just gift this to any 2 people while you're not there. Number 2, e-upgrade points. By selecting the 5 e-upgrade points, my sister has additional possibilities / chances in getting upgrades while flying Air Canada. Note, it's important that the upgrade points are only able to be applied for Air Canada operated flights and not partner flights. Here's a quick overview about the e-upgrade point system. These points are an additional currency within the Aeroplan loyalty program that allow for seat upgrades. Number 1, e-upgrade points are valid for the whole year after you've earned the Elite 25K status. So for my sister, it'll end in 2025. Number 2, if you want to use your e-upgrade points for a flight, that flight must occur before they expire. Number 3, how many e-upgrade points is dependent on your flight. If it's international or domestic, how much distance, what cabin type you bought, etc. I recommend using the link below in the description, which is Air Canada's weight calculator. There are also award charts available. Number 4, e-upgrade points are allowed to be applied for both award points fares and cash fares. Number 6, it doesn't matter if you're a 25k elite or a 100k elite, the cost of the e-upgrade points for a chance of getting an upgrade is the same for everyone. Number 7, here's where your actual status comes into play. The number of days before your flight when Air Canada will clear your upgrade is dependent on this chart right here. For example, if you're a 100k elite member, you would get cleared for an upgrade much earlier than a 25k, and this is where the order of the elite status comes into play. Number 8, there are multiple award charts for e-upgrade costs based on distance and regions. Here's where I see that people can maximize from their status match from Marriott Bonvoy to Air Canada's Aeroplan. Number 1, free baggage. My sister was able to instantly save $35 from getting a free checked bag going back from US to Canada. And she's also planning to fly Canada to international Hong Kong next year. That's going to be $75 for each segment. So matching her titanium status to Air Canada 25k Elite for free, she instantly got almost $200 worth of savings. Number 2, the e-upgrade points. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to maximize on this status match. You can now have the ability to select which flights that you want to try to get an upgrade for. Caveat, I know that you will need to fly Air Canada operated planes. If you happen to be flying Air Canada, using your e-upgrade points to target flights that you specifically want upgraded, one of the best ways to target how to use your e-upgrade points is that you'll want to target an international long route. For example, if you fly from SFO to Hong Kong, that's roughly 6,000 miles. If you fly from Toronto, that is more than 10,000 miles. However, on the award chart, anything that's above 5,000 miles will cost the same e-upgrade points. So therefore, if you're flying from East Coast to, say, an international location like Hong Kong, that will give you a lot more bang for a buck in either a premium economy or business class cabin that you're trying to upgrade to. And if you're interested in digging into the e-upgrade point system, check out my friends at Prince of Travel with their incredible in-depth guide listed below in the description. And if you're interested in learning more about Air Canada's Aeroplan program in general, check out this next video.